the Sapperton pub now to do my walk, so I will just see you there really, and then we'll head off. Hello, we are at the Daneway pub now, and I'll be starting my walk going along that way to the Daneway ruins, which is our first stop. Century manor house, surrounded by lush greenery and nestled within a peaceful woodland setting. Wander around and be transported in the past of this truly wondrous location. Look at all of this scenery all around me. This is the town of Sapperton. We just walked from the Daneway pub to Sapperton. So, yeah. Hello. We just left Sapperton and now we are heading to Cirencester up that way. So follow me and just follow the birds. Here we are at the start of Cirencester Park, and we'll be walking along that way, and we will see you at Cirencester Park.
How's the walk so far?
Muddy.
Oh, had a bit of a tumble.
Yeah, I mean, it will only get muddier. We're a bit off course, but we took the wrong turn in and...
Hello!
So after our detour with the dogs, we are now on track back to Cirencester Park. So it won't be too long. We have found ourselves back into Cirencester Park, and our next stop will be Queen's Anne Monument, so off we go. We are still on our way to Queen's Anne Monument. We've seen a load of deer in the field just over there, and it won't be too long. We're 2/3 way of our walk, so see you there. From 1712, Cirencester Park was landscaped the first Earl with guidance from prominent 18th century poet Alexander Pope. He's a passionate gardener and literacy wit of his time, and he made this to express himself. This is the stone horse sculpture in Cirencester Park, and we will show you around it. I've now seen the still water statue, and now we are going to walk to the Queen's Anne Monument. Let's do this. This is Queen Anne's Monument. The first Earl won the favour of Queen Anne, who visited in 1708. The monument was subsequently built in 1741 after a visit from the Prince of Wales as a symbol of Lord Barthur's admiration for the monarch. The finely worked limestone, in the style of a Roman Doric column, is 50 feet high, with a statue of Queen Anne sitting on the top on a square plinth. And if you look behind us over there, you can see the Bathurst's house and abbey. ladies first. We are now in Cirencester Park and we are going to head into town that way. We'll show you around this and then we will head off. Cirencester Park is definitely one of the most popular places to walk in the Cotswolds. Here we are at the YHA Youth Hostel and we walked from Sapperton and the Daneway pub to exactly here. So we'll show you the inside and thank you for following. Welcome, coming into the YHA Hostel. So, how long have you been working at the YHA Youth Hostel for?
I've been working here for 2.5 years.
Wow, that's cool. So, how do you find working here then?
Absolutely love it. So because we're part of a bigger craft charity, it's a super creative place, and I really like meeting all of our guests, and it's just a really nice place to work, and we think it's a really nice place to welcome people from all over the world.
Yeah. And where is the best place to get something yummy inside?
Oh, it's a very good question. So we do have a fab cafe on site called Blend, and they do the best cakes, but also, I don't know if you've been to Lick, they do really great ice cream and gelato. So that's my top recommendations.